Declutter your CSIR net exam preparation. Remove all the distractions and achieve your goal. I know, it's so easy to say and so difficult to achieve, especially in this YouTube era, in this Instagram era. We are facing unprecedented challenges as a student, but yet in this social media world, not even a single video is there to help you stay focused, help you declutter your preparation. And today in this video, we are going to talk about exactly that with the help of our tools and services which we provide at Biotecnika. So let's get started with the point, declutter. Now, as you are watching this video, you might be bombarded with hundreds of notifications by various apps, including YouTube itself. While you're watching this video, maybe there is a video down below which is all about entertainment. You see, YouTube was built as an entertainment platform and never a study platform. But over a period of years, it has evolved, and many teachers are there today. Thankfully to YouTube that they teach and they are able to reach more people, including me. So that's a great thing. But YouTube is causing all the clutter. YouTube is causing all the distractions. And that is the reason today I'm making this video to declutter your preparation. So we are also going to talk about some expert assisted and reliable coaching services at Biotecnika, which we are providing and we are starting. And you will thoroughly enjoy this video. So watch till the end. And at the end, I'm going to give you a CSIR net starter kit for free. Okay. So do not miss out watching till the end. So let's get started. The first point which I want to make is logically think. Okay. Logically think about qualifying CSIR net. Let's logically think. Okay. Our mind is fully cluttered with all the stuff which is happening on YouTube. Now, what's happening on YouTube? It's not just educational videos. There are so many distractive videos which will not add any value to our goal, CSIR net, but definitely will eat our time. Today, you have to decide what is your currency. Is it your time that is your currency, or is it money? As a student, you have to know this, that money will eventually come, but the time which you spend today learning is what will bring the earning of the future. But YouTube and a lot of YouTubers are wasting the time of students, and that clutter is not allowing them to walk on the path to CSIR net. And that is where Biotecnika is standing right there as a savior. We want to help you, guide you, mentor you, and tell you that this clutter is not going to help you. The problem is not just entertainment videos or music videos. No, it's not comedy videos. It's videos related to CSIR net, which are causing time wastage. Now you will say, how? Let me come to the point. So as of now, let us stick to this point that YouTube is full of lot of nonsensical videos which keeps coming in our feed, which is merely gossip about CSIR net, but it will not help you qualify. It is wasting your time. And that is where we want to stretch along this thread on which you can walk and achieve your goal. We want to declutterize your desk and your mind with useful fundas. So let's talk about them. The first thing which I want to highlight here is in my era when there was no YouTube. Okay, I was lucky to be born in an era where there was no YouTube and no social media. In our era, teachers used to come to teach, plain and simple. They'll come to the class, they will teach. I'm not saying it doesn't happen nowadays. It still happens in schools, it still happens in colleges, it still happens in Biotecnika. But what's happening around on YouTube is this. So this is what is happening on YouTube. In today's era, teachers come for views, not for reviews. They come for views and they end up giving coupon codes. That's what is happening, right? They're coming virtually, right? Students are thinking that this teacher will teach us, but they end up giving you a coupon code with a 10% discount. Tell me, in your school or college, did the teacher give you a discount coupon? I don't think so. My teacher never gave. What I'm trying to tell you here is today the parameter of teaching is changing. Thanks to social media, today views means quality. If somebody has got a lot of views, means he's very successful as a teacher. That's not the truth. If somebody is just doing gossip, he'll get lakhs and lakhs of subscribers. But quality doesn't come that way. Quality comes only through talking about substance, in-depth knowledge, right? And teachers, once they started selling coupon codes, I really don't understand since when these Kaka academies came and they started giving coupon codes. Teachers are teachers, gurus. Please don't force them to sell. Now, this is where the moment the intention of teacher changes from teaching to selling, I don't think the right kind of information will reach the students. It will always be commercialized. And that is where I want to warn all of you. Please be careful. This is causing all the clutter on YouTube. Please be careful of the teachers who come for views and end up giving you a coupon code, because that way you are wasting your time and they are earning money. If money was the only case, then they would have done anything. But it is not just the teacher. There are people who are forcing such teachers to give coupon codes. I don't think they would have done that. But anyways, that's a subject matter for some other video. Let's talk about declutterizing. So I want to warn you, this is not how you are supposed to be taught. At Biotecnika, that doesn't happen. Our teachers will come, they'll teach and they'll go. And they'll teach you substance, right? And that is what helps them become toppers. That's what helps students become toppers, right? So, and another point I want to make, it is not all of them. Some of them who are doing this. So be careful. Okay. Now, moving ahead. The fact, this is a fact, $1 million fact. Opinions are the cheapest commodity on internet today. In the era previous to internet also, opinions was very cheap. You could have, easily given somebody a free advice. But in today's era, it is even easier. Just switch on the camera and give advice. A wrong advice gets absorbed by thousands and thousands of students, right? So what is happening is, the more you are listening to such cheap commodities, like or dislike, somebody will say this is good, somebody will say this is bad. But tell me, will saying good or bad help you qualify CSIRNet? No. What is very, very important is sticking to your books, sticking to your subject, and not coupon codes. That's what I want to highlight here. Fact is, opinions are the cheapest commodity today, and you are being taken for a ride by all these opinion makers, so-called coupon code distributors. They claim to be teachers. They start their classes with the shairi and end it with a shairi. I don't think a PhD level student should be sticking to such kind of classes. I want to highlight here something else. If you listen to everyone on YouTube, everyone, okay, you're listening, okay, then you are not preparing for an exam in India, you are planning to sit for Parliament of India. That's where all the noise happens, right? We are exam aspirants, so please teach us. If you are a teacher, please teach us and help me qualify. That's as simple as that. Please don't sell me coupon codes, and please don't talk nonsense and gossip to get views, right? Talk substance, talk in depth. I think that's something which every student demands. Let me know in the comment section if you agree or disagree. So that's what I'm saying. If you are listening to everyone, then you're not preparing for CSIRNet exam, you're preparing for Parliament of India. I don't think you are doing that, right? So what should you be doing? You should know this fact that you cannot teach a fish climb a tree. Is that right? I cannot teach an engineering student to qualify CSIRNet life sciences, right? IT person cannot qualify life science, right? Same way. I cannot teach a fish to climb a tree. But the vice versa is also true. You cannot learn climbing a tree from a fish. You cannot learn climbing a tree from a fish. Somebody who has no experience can also switch on the camera and start talking, right? And they can talk anything. The need of the hour is to associate yourself with experienced brands who have proven track record and who have shown the path to hundreds and thousands of students. And that is where Biotecnika comes into picture. Now, I want to highlight another fact here. You cannot qualify CSIRNet without the help of experienced and well-qualified teachers. Now, experience means what? I qualified CSIRNet, I started teaching next month. That's not experience. Understanding the child's psychology and then training him, understanding the question psychology, question setter psychology, and then training the student, all this. You just go on YouTube and talk about, my rank is this, I'm teaching this. That's not teaching. Teaching happens when well-qualified, well-experienced people come together as a team for a common goal. And that common goal is where you should associate yourself. Now, here is something which I want to highlight. First came ABCD. Now, what is ABCD? Very simple. Anybody can dance, right? You must have seen that movie. Anybody can dance. Next came ABCT. Anybody can teach, which is good. I'm not saying it is bad, but this is good up to +2 level. The moment you get into the graduation, post-graduation and PhD level, in fact, really the PhD level, how can you rely on anybody who is ABCT? Anybody can teach. And that is something you have to think. Think logically. I'm not forcing you. I'm not saying that this is good, this is bad. I'm giving you the pointers and tell me, is that not right? ABCT, ABCD. That's what is happening today. Anybody can dance, so anybody can teach. Good. Anybody should teach. But when you're preparing for a PhD level examination and you are very, very serious about your preparation, I don't think you should go for ABCT type of teachers. I think you should think seriously, because qualifying CSIR-NET exam is a serious business. It's not a joke. I have seen people failing. I have seen people qualifying. Past 15 years, I have seen 30 CSIR-NET exam pass through right below me. Okay, I have seen the written format. I have seen the subjective type paper 1 and paper 2. I'm from that era, and I'm coming to this era with that experience that you cannot take CSIR-NET exam easily. It's not a joke. It's not that somebody comes and does gossip on internet and you watch that and you qualify. It's a serious business. You can only get into it if you have the guidance from true gurus who have vast real world experience of this game. Remember, this game is a real game. There's no pass marks. It's only dependent on cutoff. And the cutoff varies depending on how others are performing, right? And now that there is an NTA, you have weighted averages. So not 2 question papers on two different days are the same. So challenge is double, triple. But at the same time, all these YouTube gurus are wasting your time. I'm not making this video for views. I'm just making it for all the subscribers of Biotecnika who genuinely believe that CSIR-NET is a serious business and a career after that is an even more serious business. Got it? So let's jump into what we are talking about. Now, this year, CSIR-NET will be 3 times in 2022. Okay? CSIR-NET will be 3 times in 2022 as committed by the head of HRDG personally to me. So I believe in him and what he said, he has stick to that. The first notification is out on 29th January, right? And that is where I want to highlight this. More chances of qualifying you have, more probability of qualifying you have, because maths. The maths is on your side. If you write the exam more number of times, your qualifying chances increases, right? So that's where it comes. Now, second point, less people will take this news seriously again, because they are watching other YouTube channels where jokers are talking and giving coupon codes. I don't think they are seriously preparing for CSIR-NET. And that is why I'm saying less people will take this news seriously. I know this, many of Biotecnika's, contemporaries who have been there for past 10, 15 years. I know them personally. They take CSIR-NET seriously. They don't go on YouTube and start giving coupon codes. They take CSIR NET seriously and they teach properly. And that's what we are saying. Less people will take this news seriously. What I'm saying, that if you have 3 chances, your maths is on your side. Now, take advantage of this chaos. Take advantage of this chaos, because many people won't believe also that this is going to happen. If you take advantage of this chaos by planning your preparation to the minutest level, then your future will be carved out of this chaos. Otherwise, you will also become a part of others. Don't do that. Now, less students will be able to focus on studies amid this chaos. Can you really focus amid this chaos? That's the point I want to make. You will miss out if you are not focused. And that's what I said. CSIR NET is a serious business, and this serious business is going to happen 3 times this year. Don't take it lightly. Take it seriously. Okay. Next point. Now, given that, okay, CSIR NET is happening 3 times, let's understand the fast bowling approach. A fast bowler has a longer run-up. If you have seen any fast bowler from the cricketing world, anybody, Shoaib Akhtar se leke Venkatesh Prasad tak, anybody you take, they will start from a far off run-up and they'll keep running. Unless they have gained the momentum, they'll not throw the ball. The same exact same thing, same physics you have to apply. You are this fast bowler and you want to gain momentum so that in the next 3 times you qualify. And then you hit and score a wicket, right? 3 chances. So start preparing early, just like a fast bowler. All right. And that is where we come to help you. We want all the fast bowlers of CSIR NET to come join us in Eklavya batch. The batch which is specially carved by the Dronacharyas of Biotechnika, who have decided to make sure that no student goes out without the right training, the right research enthusiasm. And that batch starts 4th of January. Now, most experienced Dronacharyas of Biotechnika is coming in. I'm going to show about all of them. But here is the strategy which I will suggest all of you should follow. Even if you don't want to write CSIR NET, at least for gaining experience, please write CSIR NET. January 2022, at least, even if you don't want to qualify, even if you don't want to write, how does it matter? Just go 1 day, 3 hours, write the exam. Please gain experience, okay? And for those who are taking it seriously, we have already started Raftar batch, okay? And the Raftar batch is happening every day, 7 to 10. Please go ahead and check out the description of this video. You can check out, that will help you. But if you're not still for gaining experience, please write this exam. Now, June 2022, the moment exam happens once again, with the help of Eklavya batch, gain a rank, because you would have practiced 6 months, 7 months, right? So that's where it comes. And then improve on your rank next time when it happens in December with the help of rank boosting courses, which we have. That is how we plan to achieve. Now, the question is, why Eklavya batch? Now, this batch is not for those who are looking for coupon codes. This batch is for those who want to seriously prepare for CSIR NET. And we already had the Eklavya Premium batch, which is completely full. 16 students have already enrolled and they all went through the Eklavya entrance exam and they have scored high marks, and that's how they got the admission. Now, because so many students were writing to us that they missed the exam and they still want to prepare, so Eklavya regular batch is here. Now, this batch is talking about the same philosophy which happened in Mahabharata. Eklavya had lack of resources because of various reasons. Maybe he was poor, maybe he was not born in a rich family, whatever it was. Eklavya had lack of resources. And we want to remove that barrier. We want to remove this barrier which is a disadvantage actually to you, that you don't have the right resources. Eklavya batch is all about best teachers meeting the needy students just like you. Now, here is something which I want to highlight. Eklavya batch is only for serious students who want to write CSIR NET for the next three times and qualify in at least once. The maths is on their side. They know that others are not taking this exam seriously, and they know that they can take this exam seriously and qualify. It is not for the light-hearted. So if you think that you're just going to write it casually, that's not the batch for you. If you want to write it seriously, that's when you should join this batch. All right, next. So who will be your teachers? I will be your chief strategist. I'll be right here, just like how I guide you, mentor you on YouTube. I'll be there every day. Okay, I'll be there as a chief strategist, and along with me will be the head of department, head of academics, Dr. Neha Suman, who will be guiding you. So let me show you a glimpse of our entire team, which will enlighten you on how we plan to achieve things. Now, let's talk about the head of our department, head of academics, about Dr. Neha Suman. So she is one of the co-founders, my own guru, my own sister, and elder sister, and she's the head of Biotecnica's academic department and oversees all the academic operations. Okay, so there is somebody sitting over there to watch out for the quality. That's first thing. Now, over a span of her academic and research career of 20 years, she has helped millions of researchers, millions of students and researchers succeed in their life. And the best part is, she doesn't like limelight. She doesn't come in the forefront and say, I have done this, I have done this. She believes in action. And that's what the results of Biotecnica reflect, right? So that's about our head of academics. Moving ahead, we have one of our smartest and most senior faculty, Dr. Prabhakaran Ravichandran, with 17 to 18 patents. 17 has been granted, 18th is pending, patent pending. And he's a senior scientist along with that academician. He is researching at Biotecnica along with other academic endeavors. Now you can see he did his PhD in the area of nanoparticle synthesis and biocompatibility studies from Norfolk University, Norfolk, USA. And then he did his postdoctoral experience developing and generation of biomaterials delivery systems for treating chronic pulmonary conditions. Now that's the exact condition which happens during COVID, from Johns Hopkins University, Baltimore, USA. So he holds 17 plus patents, and he is one of the soul of Biotecnica along with all other team members whom you're going to meet now. So here we are. There are 11 more of them. So in total, we have 15 faculties. I could not fit in all of them here in this slide, so I have tried majority of them. Now, why we have so many faculties for just CSIRNet Life Sciences? That's the question to be asked. These people who are there. Now, you remember, there are 13 units in CSIRNet plus 1 unit is general aptitude. In our case, every teacher is a specialist of 1 unit. It's not that one teacher will teach 4 or 5 units. That's when we cannot cover the syllabus or cover a part of the syllabus also. Most places you will see 3 to 5 teachers in the team. But here, massive load of 15 teachers who will take care of your CSIRNet 13 units plus general aptitude. We don't believe in show off. We believe in quality, and that's what these people take care. Now, there's an additional part which I want to highlight. 99% places you will not see a customer support team or customer satisfaction team, which we call it as CST. Now, what this CST does is, as soon as your class gets over and you have submitted your feedback, and suppose you didn't understand, because what happens, sometimes you don't understand the topic, the customer support team will call you and check out, okay, what was the problem? And they'll talk to the teachers anonymously without taking your name and solve the issue. Now, this kind of thing you will not see anywhere. Why? We have it because teaching is a very passionate thing. While the teacher is teaching, maybe he went in a higher speed while the student could not catch up. But what if the student could tell the teacher to repeat the class again? And that's what the customer support team comes into picture. These experienced team of experts, starting from our very own Priyanjana, Dr. Nupur, Dr. Urmimala, Dr. Lakshmi, Dr. Tanushri, and all these people, Dr. Tithi, Shomrita, Dr. Nidhi, you must have heard of them in Biotecnica's podcast or various webinars, and they will be teaching you. 15 faculties teaching you 13 units. Isn't that great? What happens is all these people are specialists of one particular unit, and that is where they take care of all your classes. Moving ahead, what is included in this particular batch? Let me highlight. So the soul of this batch is practice. Okay. But before that, learning happens. So first level is learning, then practice, And while you're learning, memorize and recall. These are the 4 pillars on which the entire Eklavya batch is based. At any point in time, Eklavya batch will have online coaching or classroom coaching for 3 hours. Now, many students will say, only 3 hours. Boss, we are teaching you Monday to Friday, 3 hours. Along with that, apart from that, there will be a lot of question practice, right? So the teaching part, theory part will be 3 hours. It's not question practice. Question practice is separate. Now, what happens? We focus on more of self-study plus expert-guided studies. In fact, we are introducing expert-guided notes making in Eklavya batch. Now, what happens here? Now, when you have online coaching and classroom coaching with directed, driven classes, the detailed coverage of syllabus happens. 13 units actually is equal to 13 master's degree. Let me know if you disagree. That's the truth. You would have studied cell biology, you might not have studied botany. If you studied botany, you might not have studied animal physiology. It's so vast. The syllabus is like 13 MSc degrees. So you definitely need 13 teachers, 15 teachers. Now, more emphasis on part C based questions. Again, practice, like I said. Now, all classes of Raftar batch of January 2022 will also be given to all of you, along with revision notes, which is Conceptica Lite, Conceptica Wheel, Concept Table, and Concept Cloud. All this will be given to you in the e-format, so you can revise. So this is where the entire soul of Eklavya batch is right in front of you. Learning, practice, recall, memorize. Learning, practice, recall, memorize. This is how it will move, okay? So learning, memorize, recall, practice, learn again, okay? This is how we move. So that's about Eklavya batch. Moving ahead. Now, we are also adding some great things here. The first thing which I'm adding is the maximizing productivity for CSIRNet. This is a free e-course which was done 4 months ago by me only, where we have talked about how to maximize your study hours, how can you improve your studying habit, how can you improve your studying skills, and how can you get better, because at the end of the day, you are going to write the exam, you're going to write CSIRNet, and that is where you need to maximize your output, which is studying, right? Now, exclusive workshops and webinars will also be conducted on question solving skills, time management skills, productivity skills, distraction management skills, which is again similar to what we have done here in today's video, and improve study habit skills. Remember, all this is very needed. This is not in the syllabus, but this is the key to your success. Now, we are also adding some extra added advantage, because we noticed that after you have qualified CSIRNet, when you apply for a corporate job and you will say that I spent 6 months or 7 months or 1 year in preparing for CSIRNet, the corporate companies won't understand this, right? They'll be like, why you have to, have a career break? So if you have a career break, I'll not give you a job. This happens. I've seen this. Many of my candidates, they had a break, so they could not get a corporate job after their PhD or postdoc because they could not justify that 1 year gap, okay, or 6 months gap. That is where we have designed or devised another problem-solving idea, which is free bioinformatics virtual internship or cheminformatics virtual internship, which you can avail. The worth of this particular course is around ₹21,000. This will be given free of cost to you. So in the next 1 year, the moment you have enrolled, any moment in time, you can start your internship and end your internship, and you can easily show that you are also doing internship. That will not just impress the employers, the knowledge which you'll gain, because bioinformatics is the future. It's all about not just biology, but computer science, but plus information engineering, mathematics, and statistics. Bioinformatics is a wide array of tools and techniques of the future. So that is why bioinformatics as well as cheminformatics internship, any one of the two you can take along with Eklavya batch. You have 1 year to complete, and it will take 10 to 12, maximum 15 days to cover this internship. So that's where this comes into picture. Now, one very important point which I keep telling my student is, if you fell yesterday, don't regret, stand up today. Don't regret. ठीक है, मानते हैं you ended up wasting time or money elsewhere and you are not happy about it. But not being happy will not help you qualify CSIRNet. Action will take you to CSIRNet qualification. So the key word here is action. Take action today. take a decision today that you will not give in. You will not stand down. Instead, you will stand up. You'll stand up and you'll fight. You will win. And take action. The Eklavya batch is filling very, very fast. The date is 4th of January when it starts. Now, like I said earlier, why you should plan now for June and December? Because planning early has its own advantages. You will have a higher chances of qualifying. You will gain momentum. And by the time you have already gained the momentum, exam happens and you qualify. Remember, studying is not a one isolated job. It's an environment which you have to build around you. Surround yourself in that environment. That's where you qualify. So Biotecnica's Bangalore branch is starting the classroom coaching on 4th of January. And the online is, as always available. So you can choose any of the two and attend. Now, triple your success with Eklavya batch. The batch starts 4th of January. This is the batch where the real success happens. This is the batch where we are coming with a complete 360-degree package for all of you. If you are interested, the link is given in the description, which you can check out and avail all the benefits. But now, here is my surprise gift. Since you watched this video till the end, so I'm going to give you a free CSIRNet starter kit, which includes ebooks, unit-wise question discussions. It includes a lot of mock test papers. It includes unit-wise weightage, which books to study, which books to skip, which topic to study, which topic to skip, all that. The CSIRNet starter kit is right there. The link is given in the description. So please check out the comment section as well as description and download. I want one thing, and that is no kid after watching this video should go out upset. You should go back energized to study. You should be fully ready and nobody goes empty hand. That's why here it is. Here is the reward for watching this video. Please go ahead and download it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in Eklavya batch, which starts January 4th, 2022. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.